Today on Chloe's inbox. Good day, Chloe. I hope you will read this and eventually give your thoughts. I was attached to a girl whom I met in high school about a decade ago. She's the most awesome and wonderful girl I've ever met. I remember her as someone who always wanted my company. In short, we became close like siblings, and eventually I felt like I was the happiest young man at that time. And as the days passed, I fell in love with her. It was my first time to feel that way. It so happened that hindi siya nakapagtapos ng school year nung taon na yon. Later on, she was forced to move to a private school where she used to study. It was her parents' decision. That time, she was just starting to get along with our other classmates. I was frustrated that time, and the only thing I knew was that she's very obedient. That is why she left. After that, we still had communication. And thanks to Friendster at that time and Facebook. But as the years went by, being away with each other or from each other, our communication became limited to the point that she treated me like a stranger. I understood that because I was already part of her past, and what is important is the people that she is with now. Eventually, I realized why she wasn't replying much, because she's already in a relationship, as what I've seen on her Facebook. With that, I was hurt and frustrated, especially now that she is happy with someone else. Nakakahinayang lang, pero tama siguro na hindi na lang ako nag-confess sa kanya noon dahil baka mag-iba pa yung friendship namin. What's troubling me is that I got totally affected by her until now. Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung stand ko sa buhay niya. Bakit hindi na siya gaya ng dati? Nakalimutan na ba niya ako? I am really confused. I missed her so much. We could no longer talk personally because she is now in Manila in a relationship, and it's awkward. All I hope for is that magkita uli kami dito sa probinsya, pero hindi ko alam kung interesado pa siyang makipag-usap sa akin. There are other girls I met after her, but she's very different. Sometimes I feel that I was unfair with them because I always wanted to see them the way I see her. Gusto ko siyang kalimutan, pero I feel that there's a need for us to talk, to make it up to her. What should I do? Do I really need to wait more to confess to her that I love her? Or should I let her in her life because she is already happy now and moved on? Yours truly, Mr. Curious. Hi there. You know, some people are really not able to move on, just like you, sir. Until now, you still love her and you want only her. You've waited long enough. Sana noon pa, sinabi mo na agad, baka nagkaroon kayo ng chance. Feeling ko naman kasi medyo confused ka kasi friends kayo eh. Pero kung talagang gusto mo siya and you wanna take a chance, di sana noon pa nagtapat ka na. Ang mangyayari nga lang doon, masisira yung friendship nyo kung sakaling the feeling is not mutual. Okay? So, why not ask to meet her? Or kaya bisitahin mo. Or you leave a message on Facebook and tell her that you will be in Manila and want to keep in touch. Malay mo pagbigyan ka at magkita kayo. From there on, pwede mong i-gauge if there is really something for you to make up, di ba? Love involves risk kasi. Even the risk of not being loved back in return. Ganun talaga yon. You know, sometimes the solution to some problem is really simple. It's as simple as having a conversation and telling her what's in your heart. You just have to be ready for her response. A lot of problems would stem from a lack of communication. Kung nagtanong ka sana, baka sinagot ka. You know, when you don't ask, the answer will always be no. Kung nagsabi ka, baka may sasabihin din pala siya. So if I were you, i-resolve mo na tong bagay na to ngayon, even if it means going out of your way to see her. Kung dyan ka makakatulog, edi gawin mo. Whatever the outcome, at least you won't end up wondering what could have happened if you only tried. May boyfriend na siya, in a relationship na, hindi mo naman siya aagawin eh. siguro magtatapat ka lang. Kung sakaling sabihin niya na mutual yung feelings nyo pero hindi ka na niya ma-entertain, o edi tanggapin mo na yon. And you have to wait for your turn. Kung sakaling maghiwalay man sila o hindi na sila maghiwalay. But the thing is, you have to respect their relationship. Because I believe that you had your chance before. Kaya lang hindi ka nagtapat. Okay? So, yeah. Try to get out of your way or go out of your way para makausap mo siya. Kahit simpleng hi, hello pag nagbisita ka dito sa Manila, pumunta ka dito, kitain mo lang at total magkaibigan naman kayo. Mag-gauge mo na doon. Kung sakaling hindi siya available, hindi siya pumayag, doon pa lang. Mag-gauge mo na, malalaman mo na hindi siya interesado. So thank you so much, Mr. Curious, for your letter. I hope you don't stay curious all your life.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.